Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really cool 3D birthday card. This is how to do it. First, take a black cutout of a heart and a rectangular piece of paper. Make sure they are the same shade of black. Now fold it in half to make a basic card. Then turn it the right way and fold that front flip forward to make a crease in the middle. Fold the heart in half and align the two lines. This way you can get the exact center. Now cut it out. You now have two hearts and a hole of a heart in the card. Take a marker and trace the heart on the inside. When you open the card, you should be able to see it on the other side. Now choose one of your hearts and use some colored pieces of washi tape. Use them to decorate the heart. I chose to decorate it by using stripes. Now, take some scissors and snip away the excess. After you do this, you can now trim away the heart. This is how it looks like. Now, put it to the side and get the card. Get some tape and use it to attach the blank heart. As you can see, the colored heart should be able to fit right through and onto the traced heart that you did earlier. Later, you can glue it on. Again, use the tape to position the heart onto the hole. Put it on the side just like this. Clear tape is ideal. As you can see, it can open like this. Now, glue the heart on. Once it is glued on, your heart is almost complete. All you need to do now is write happy birthday. You can also reposition the black heart so that it fits directly over the colored heart. As you can see, I wrote happy birthday, and you can put their name in the center of the heart. You can do this using a white colored pencil. Open their name and you can see the colored heart. Obviously, you can use all this empty space in this card to write messages. That is it. Your heart is complete. complete. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye!